Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, tonight's episode of Uthando Nesthembu, we are going to be seeing parts of the ceremony that Umusa has been speaking about. And yes, guys, all the wives made it to the ceremony, even if there was some who were saying Guti they were not sure, some who were saying Guti abayi. Thobile telling umangwabi ukuthi asiye, like let's go ngena them, asiyobangena, they are them. But on the trailer we see something, right? So it looks like okay, they did the ceremony and now they are abantu bakwa, is that abantu bakwa Duma or wherever, guys, baseldin, right? The wives are sitting there and then Umusa says, okay, fine, now it's time for us to go and meet number 5. Kodwa angeke simlethe la endlini number 5. So which means ukuthi thina ke sizosuka lana and we are going to go and meet her outside. After meeting her outside like that, the ceremony, or that will bring the ceremony to an end and we are going to close it then. Now guys, I want us to imagine this, ne? And I feel like what Umusa did here was extremely selfish. And this is my opinion, right? Umusa invites the wife to the ceremony where he knows very well that number 5 he is going to be introduced. Some of the wives, he even lied to them, like Umayeni, Benumangwabe, they were lied to, or at least according to what I watched, Umusa did not disclose to them ukuthi number 5 is going to be introduced there. He just said ukuthi uyowenza umsebenzi wokubonga impilo yakhe and the Duma family are going to be there. So imagine there's 2 wives that are there. Okay, fine. Umangwabe was told about by Uthobile ukuthi ukuthi number 5 is going to be introduced there. But anyway, 2 wives are there and they don't really know ukuthi number 5 is being introduced. Now Umusa lied to those 2 wives because he knows very well if he had told them ukuthi number 5 was going to be introduced there, they were not going to be there. So he lied to them for his own image's sake because he knows ukuthi obviously mawenzu mcimbi and then there's family there, they're going to ask ukuthi but where's the other 2 wives? Do you understand what I'm saying? So he lies to them so that his image looks good ukuthi his wives are supposedly supporting them. Now imagine when as a wife who doesn't know nothing, you are sitting there and all of a sudden this man is announcing uti number 5, we as the family we're going to number 5 by the gate. Now imagine when you don't want to meet number 5, guys, usadela phansi. How are you going to look in front of that family? You tell me. So now do you see it's going to seem as if Umthombeni uyazama, he brought the wives here, but these wives are not going to the gate, so they are going to be judged like to say you're not supporting your husband. So I feel like this whole thing was about protecting his own image by inviting them without telling them the explicit truth and then just putting them in hot waters. Obviously the wives are going to look like bad people in front of Umusa's family, and I feel like that was so unfair, you guys. I feel like that was so selfish. That's number 1. Number 2, guys, I feel like Umusa, again, selfish, but just think about Usamke, guys. How is Usamke supposed to come into this family and get along with these wives when Umusa is creating such a drama out of this? Do you understand? Already there's in Kolumo Uguti, it looks like Usamke is getting preferential treatment. So she's not going to feel like she's one part of the wives. There's no way they're going to treat her as if she's part of them when Umusa starting off things like that. And at Merakada, he tells Usamke, I'm not going to fight your battles. Ushugutu Samke is coming into hot waters, guys, and she's going to be one man. Umusa's not gonna ngena it. He's not going to defend her. But I'm like, it's so unfair. You're bringing a wife into this situation. You're creating havoc for even the new wife. How is she supposed to coexist with these women when you're doing things like this? Okay, guys, some people were asking Wuti, now, Umayemi, did she get a bonus for this season? Because listen, guys, we see a snippet where Umayemi gets up and she's talking, and it looks like whatever she's saying, she's saying in front of the whole family. But what we see her saying on the trailer, she says, like whatever you are telling us now is as good as non-existent. So I don't know if she's obviously it's in regards to number 5, but we don't have the context. So I don't know if Umayeni is saying what you introducing her right now, it's as good as non-existent because we did not agree to it or whatnot. We will wait for tonight to see the full episode and to get context of that. But I was just like, Mayeni, ma'am, did you just call out your man in front of Pam Gwabantu, like in front of his whole family? Because I saw Wuti, there's eyes staring at her, looking at her, and Umusa's going to be pissed by that because obviously in front of the family, you guys, but that means Umayen is pissed, you guys, and she's tired because at least Umbani was filled in by Utobile. Umayeni doesn't know zilch, and she's sitting there, and this man is trying to. Yeah, guys, let's wait till tonight and see what's what. But it looks like Umayel is going to come through for those wives, except Umatele might not be happy about what Umayeni has to say, because Umatele is the only one who has accepted to number 5, and she might feel like, why should we go and meet to number 5, ngaphandle kwexege, whereas now I've accepted her. Why must we go according to these other wives, whereas I also accepted them? Asazi, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.